Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the makeup look I did for my birthday. I just decided to go ahead and commit y'all and be a full-on beauty blogger, okay? I do love makeup, and while I do love makeup, I am definitely not a pro or anything like that. But I just kind of want to show you guys like how I put on my makeup as a beginner. Um, yeah, so the first thing I do is I start with my brows, and I'm using a brow kit by Ruby Kisses, which I got at the beauty supply store. Um, Over the course of the years I've been making makeup videos and playing with makeup, I've learned that, like, there's certain products that I will like buy cheap, and there's some that you can't really like buy cheap, or else the quality won't be good. And so I mean, for me, uh brow things or stuff you can get cheap, maybe, because it's more about the technique. That's just my opinion. Whereas like eyeshadow, I don't know, just because specifically because I'm dark skinned, like cheap eyeshadow, it just ends up looking like chalk. It don't look good. So like eyeshadow is just not something that you can go cheap on. This is not really a tutorial, this is just me showing you guys what I do. So just sit back, relax, enjoy the video. So after I get done concealing my brows, and whatnot, I'm going to move on to my eyeshadow. I do this before I put any of my foundation on, just because I don't know, I feel like it's weird to like, I don't know, I feel like eyeshadow is hard for me, so sometimes I need to touch my face, and if you got foundation on, it gets all over your hands. So I just go ahead and do my eyeshadow on my brows first and do the foundation last. But anyway, I start off by concealing my eyelids, just so that the eyeshadow will have something to stick to. You're supposed to have eyelid or eyeshadow primer, but I didn't have any, or I didn't have any, or I ran out, so I just used concealer, which you can do. And then I set it with white powder so it wouldn't crease. This kind of worked like for the time being, but it is better if you have eyeshadow primer. So the palette that I'm going to be working from today is a palette from JUVIA'S place. Now I know JUVIA'S place been having some issues. They had like some type of public issue with Jackie Aina and Alyssa Ashley. But at that point I had already bought the palette, girl, so we just gotta use it. But yeah, I'm just using the I don't even know, I don't have the palette next to me and I can't even see on the screen, but you see I'm using the green color and a green color, 2 brown colors, and a gold color. And the brown colors were used more so to be like transition colors, and then the green and the gold were like the standout colors. So it's probably gonna look a little wonky the way I'm putting it on, but I think that it comes together in the end. And so after I do my eyeshadow, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my eyeliner, which is like super hard for me. I can only do one eye right, but no, not even what. Like, I messed up my left eye, but I edited it out of this video because just for the sake of time. But a tip is if you mess up on your eyeliner, you can just conceal the mistake and then like use concealer to go over the mistake, and then like either redraw the line or put eyeshadow on top, just so you don't have to like start over on your whole eye again. So because I messed up on the outer corner, I just concealed on the outer corner and then just redrew the like wing line type of thing. Like, I don't know, wing lines are always hard for me, but anyway, that's basically what I'm doing. Yeah, so now I'm going in with my L'Oreal True Match foundation. I think in the shade C9, and I've been using this foundation for years. Like, it is my staple. Like, I don't think I've switched to anything else in the last several years. Like, I've just been using it because it works really well. And normally I would prime my face and then maybe put a setting powder on it, because I do have like oily I would say combination oily skin. But I don't know, I was in a rush and I guess I didn't do it. Like, I searched the clips and I couldn't find it, so yeah, I skipped that step. But normally I would prime, but in the end I just set everything with my Urban Decay setting spray. And that's another thing, like, setting spray is not something that you really can go cheap on. Like, I was using the NYX setting spray for like years, and then I switched to Urban Decay and I really like it. So yes, setting spray, I advise you to invest in some good setting spray. Okay, you think this color be bad? You don't even. Wait, is this red?
She gonna say something. You don't know. But then I'm the one that suggested she wear bright eyeshadow. Oh, that's too much.
That's too bright. It oxidized into some
Darker?
Nah, that's red.
Just ready to make clear it out.
Can you give me a paper towel, mama? Hurry.
Yeah, hurry. How rude. That's your mom.
But what color should I wear? Brown.
Thanks, Mom.
Thank you, Mama.
You're such a great mother. And I appreciate you for giving me a paper.
You just heard that what?
Talking about your left.
Oh, come on, boo.
Yeah, it's 12:25.
Okay. How my lips look, Mom? You just saying that because you're ready to go?
Why do you second guess me when I tell you something? If it's not right, I'm gonna tell you it's not right. Let's go, y'all. They waiting. They're gonna be ringing the phone.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, if you want to see more makeup videos, please hit the thumbs up button and let me know in the comment section. I will see you guys next time. Bye.